Automated production lines have become a fundamental element of modern operations management, enabling businesses to achieve higher efficiency, reduce labor costs, and ensure consistent product quality. These systems use machinery and advanced technologies to carry out production processes with minimal human involvement. The following are key features of automated production lines, illustrated through real-world examples that highlight their transformative impact on various industries. One of the defining characteristics of automated production lines is their ability to run continuously with minimal downtime, which significantly increases production speed and efficiency. For example, Tesla's Gigafactories rely heavily on automation to manufacture electric vehicles and batteries. Robotic arms perform tasks such as welding, painting, and assembly, allowing Tesla to produce vehicles rapidly and with a high degree of precision. This level of automation enables the company to meet growing demand for electric cars while maintaining superior quality standards, making Tesla a leader in the electric vehicle market. Automation also enhances consistency and quality control by reducing the variability associated with human labor. In the Toyota Production System, TPS, automation is integrated into manufacturing processes alongside human oversight. Robots handle repetitive tasks such as welding and assembly, while skilled workers monitor the production line for quality assurance. This combination of automation and human expertise allows Toyota to maintain flexibility in producing various vehicle models, while ensuring that each unit meets the company's rigorous quality standards. Another key benefit of automated production lines is the reduction of labor costs. Coca-Cola's bottling plants are a prime example of this, where automated systems handle everything from filling and capping bottles to labeling and packaging at high speeds. By minimizing the need for manual labor in these repetitive tasks, Coca-Cola significantly cuts costs while maintaining a high level of output and product consistency. This efficiency allows the company to keep up with global demand while staying competitive in the beverage industry. Flexibility is another advantage of modern automated production lines, as they can be reprogrammed to adapt to different products and market demands. Amazon exemplifies this adaptability in its fulfillment centers, where Kiva robots move shelves of products to human workers who then fulfill customer orders. This system accelerates the order-picking process and allows Amazon to process millions of orders daily, meeting customer expectations for fast and reliable delivery. The combination of automation and human effort creates a scalable and highly efficient system that has transformed the logistics industry. In industries where precision and complexity are paramount, automation plays a crucial role in enhancing performance and safety. Airbus's aircraft assembly lines incorporate extensive automation to streamline the construction process. Automated guided vehicles, AGVs, transport aircraft components, and robotic systems assist with critical tasks such as drilling and fastening. This level of automation not only reduces assembly time, but also improves accuracy, ensuring that Airbus's aircraft meet stringent safety and performance standards. Consumer goods companies such as Procter & Gamble, P&G, also benefit from automated production lines in the manufacturing of products like personal care items and cleaning supplies. P&G uses robotics for packaging, palletizing, and product handling, which speeds up production and allows for better inventory management. By automating these processes, P&G reduces operational costs while maintaining high-quality standards, ensuring that products are efficiently delivered to markets worldwide. Similarly, Nestlé employs automated production lines in its food processing facilities to manufacture products such as coffee and dairy, These production lines feature automated systems for sorting, filling, and packaging, which enhance overall productivity. The automation allows Nestlé to meet high demand consistently while maintaining product quality, helping the company remain a dominant force in the global food industry. In conclusion, automated production lines are a critical component of modern operations management, offering businesses across various industries increased efficiency, improved consistency, and reduced costs. Companies like Tesla, Toyota, Coca-Cola, Amazon, Boeing, Procter & Gamble, and Nestlé have harnessed the power of automation to optimize their manufacturing processes. By doing so, they have not only enhanced productivity, but also positioned themselves to adapt to evolving market demands, ensuring long-term competitiveness and success.